Alright, Bug. What are you doing today?
Today, we're going to be putting on the Borla exhaust.
On what? My chimney. No?
On my WRX.
Oh, man. Let's get it done.
Okay. Is that much room?
Probably. Let's get this giant box open and see what's inside of it.
Okay.
Should we make Angel put it on in a dress?
Yeah. Don't get into pain now.
Oh, she said absolutely gonna put it on in a dress. Okay, so far we put the back piece on, and then the middle piece, and the, hold on, I gotta get up because he's gonna need to come back here, and I need to get out of the way so that he can help me. Oh god, I feel a little bit dizzy. Okay, what else did we do? That's it. Okay, so now we move to the back, but my hands are dirty. They're dirty.
What are you doing down there? Hey, come out of there. Start this thing.
I'm getting the nuts.
From down under?
Yes.
You're a mess. Come on. Oh, we'll get him when you start the car. Let's go.
I already got them.
Come out of there, cutie.
Oh man.
Did you get all the nuts?
I did. And nice and glittery.
Did you find all the nuts?
Dirty. And my hair crazy.
Are you excited?
I am.
Are you ready to wom? Let's see it.
And then I'm just gonna drive it out of the garage.
Yep. A little bit of wom.
Yep. Yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching our video.